Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Weekend mornings mean that we can treat ourselves a little better than usual, including spoiling yourselves with a delicious and fun-filling breakfast. Today we will make another kind of pancakes. You guys may think, what is that pancake obsession? But we can never ever have enough pancake recipes, right? We've got the classic pancakes, then the fluffy lemon ricotta ones that are to die for, and in this video, chocolate pancakes. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite kind of pancakes so that we can share this love together. Okay, let's get started. First one, we'll prepare our dry mixture. In a large mixing bowl, put in 120 grams all-purpose flour, 20 grams cocoa powder. Don't forget to add 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 tablespoons white sugar for a hint of sweetness. Last but not least, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and using a whisk, we will mix everything together until combined. Move on to the wet mixture. Let's begin with the large egg. Then gently pour in 250 ml milk and 30 grams melted unsalted butter. Nicely mix the ingredients together until well combined. Now all we have to do is making a well in the center of the dry mixture and very carefully pour in half of the wet mixture. Nicely whisk for a couple of times to roughly combine the two mixture. And then add in the remaining wet mixture, and this time we'll mix until we have a smooth pancake batter and no shreds remain. Let's get into action, shall we? Heat the non-stick pan over medium-high heat and brush it with butter. Then using a small ladle, pour a small amount of pancake batter onto the hot pan. Make sure you let some space between the pancakes so that they won't stick together. When bubbles start to appear on the top surface of the pancake, we know it's time to flip. That's right, cook for further 1 or 1.5 minutes more and our pancakes are ready. Today I will also prepare a gorgeous shiny chocolate ganache to serve with the pancakes. In a small bowl, put in 100 grams dark chocolate and 150 ml cream. All we have to do is put in this bowl in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then take it out and nicely whisk to have that beautiful ganache. Gently pour this ganache over a beautiful stack of pancakes. It will be the best still warm, but in case you find your ganache cool down way too fast and thicken, don't worry, just put the bowl back to the microwave for a couple seconds and you will be good to go. We'll garnish our pancakes with fresh raspberries because they look so great and match perfectly with the chocolate flavor. And our chocolate pancakes are here! What did you think? Do you look intriguing to you? I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Don't be afraid to give this recipe a try and share with me some photos of your creations. Thank you so much for watching and for your constant support. Please have a nice day. I will see you on in my next video. Bye! Mwah!